Hello friends, today we are making simple vegan ice cream. Vegan dairy. To make this ice cream you'll need a strong blender, 4 bananas frozen, two cups of cashews, 1 cup of water, and salt to taste. Blend till smooth. And here you have the finished product. Simple vegan dairy. Simple vegan plant-based vegetarian ice cream. God bless and enjoy this ice cream. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have other videos that we intend to come on the YouTube channel that are coming soon. So please subscribe and be on the lookout for those. God bless you and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Enjoy and God bless. Enjoy.